Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam game validating stuck in validating loop. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on Show Hidden Icons. This reveals additional system tray applications that are running in the background. From there, right-click on the Steam icon and select Exit Steam. This completely closes the application and clears any temporary processes that might be causing the validation loop issue. Now, reopen Steam and wait for a few seconds to let it fully load. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor glitches in the validation process. Once Steam is open, navigate to the upper left corner and click on Steam, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This takes you to the main configuration area where you can adjust various Steam options. In the left panel, click on Downloads. This section controls how Steam handles game installations and updates. Here you'll find the Clear Download Cache option. Click Clear Cache right beside it, then click Confirm when prompted. Clearing the cache removes corrupted temporary files that could be interfering with the validation process, forcing Steam to rebuild these files from scratch. If the issue persists, stay in the Settings menu and click Storage in the left panel. Click the drop-down menu and select the local drive that experienced the game validating stuck in validating loop. Once you've selected the correct drive, click the three dotted lines and select Repair Library. This scans your game files and fixes any corrupted installations or missing components that might be causing the validation loop. Next, navigate to the upper left corner and click Library to access your game collection. In the left panel, right-click the game that's stuck in the validation loop and select Properties. Look for Enable the Steam overlay while in-game and toggle it on. The overlay feature sometimes needs to be enabled for proper game validation and communication with Steam servers. If you're still experiencing the problem, click Installed Files in the left panel. From there, click Move Install Folder. This relocates your game files to a different location which can resolve disk-related issues. Click the drop-down menu to select another local drive, then click Move to transfer the files. This process might take a few minutes depending on the game size. Finally, if none of these solutions work, close the Steam app completely. Right-click the Steam shortcut on your desktop and select Run as Administrator. Running Steam with elevated permissions can resolve validation issues caused by restricted file access or permission conflicts. And that's how you fix Steam game validating stuck in validating loop. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.